Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get free Discord Nitro. Well, Discord Nitro is a paid subscription service that offers premium features such as high quality screen sharing, custom emojis, and access to a library of games. Currently, there is no legitimate way to get Discord Nitro for free without breaking the terms of service or participating in illegal activities. But Discord Nitro offers a free trial version for new users. The free trial lasts for 7 days and includes access to all the premium features of Discord Nitro. So to sign up for Nitro free trial, you will need to provide a valid payment method such as a credit card or PayPal account. But after the 7 days of free trial, you will need to pay Discord Nitro if you want to continue this application. So that's how to get free Discord Nitro. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.